Hey guys, Terrence here, your favorite computer concierge. Go ahead, Kat. Hey, I want to remind everybody that Monday, because right now it's Sunday. Today's Sunday, right? And we're here on Sunday, right? Today's Sunday. Tomorrow is Cyber Monday, and we got some great online deals for you. Yes, people are wondering why we're here on a Sunday, because we are here on a Sunday trying to make it happen for you guys as far as the best laptops, desktops, anything that you need to make sure that you get the technology to work for you. So Monday, Cyber Monday, that's tomorrow. We'll see you guys online or in the store. Online, you get 50% off, or you get our 1 year IT support. So it's your chance to get 50% or 1 year tech support. And let me tell you, I wouldn't even know what to do because our tech support is like awesome and you get a great deal. So, you know, you're going to have to just make the best decision. But it's Cyber Monday, shop local, small business here looking after you guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow on Monday. Bye.